show you how to fix a hose when you're in the country and you don't have tools, so you have to make your own tools. You see this here? My father-in-law built this for me. We call him Grandpa, and he was an old country boy with a lot of skills and a lot of talents, and he showed me how to fix a hose. So I want to pass on and show you how to do it. And I have a leak in my cutting torch here, and so I cut the leak out, and I put a sleeve in there. I'm going to slide it together like such. And put it up. Slot here. And this tool is pretty unique in the fact that all you have to have is for a clamp is a piece of wire. And you take this piece of wire off a reel here, kind of fold it in half like such. Take it and put it over your hose where you're making your splice. Run the two together like this through it. Tighten it up by hand as tight as you can probably get it. There, you see how that's in there? Okay. Now we take our tool and we run these two loose ends through here. And you notice that V on the end of this? This goes down and gets a hold of that loop right down there. Okay. See that? Okay, then we bring these two around, twist them together. And then we just begin the operation of twisting this tight. Spin this like such, making sure our wires are in the right place. And just keep turning, turning. See it starting to tighten up? See, now we got that wire going around both sides. Nice and tight. It's a unique design that old Grandpa made when he did this. And we'll give her a good twist or two to make sure it cuts in good. Now all we got to do is just tip it over. Hold the pliers like this. Tip it over. See the two ends bend over? See them bend over right there? Yeah. Okay, now they'll hold while you back this off. You cut the two wires. Right there. Right there, that frees your tool up. See how that held there? Yeah. Now all we do is just take our pliers and crimp it over. And voila, you get a joint. And you didn't have to go to town to buy a clamp. You made your own. Pretty neat, huh? The old timers taught me how to do that.